This is Tim Queen, and today we're going to talk about how to get your first 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. So you might have checked out my account. By now I have roughly 28,000 followers on LinkedIn over 10 months. And if you're getting started, that might look quite intimidating. So let's start with a small goal first. I'm going to show you exactly how to get your first 1,000 followers on LinkedIn and how you can get started. So step number one, you have to turn your profile to public. Make sure that your profile and every section of your profile is public, including your image, because that's really important. If you don't make your image public, people will not be able to see your face. If they don't see your face, they don't know who you are, they don't feel like that you're like a real person, and they won't follow you. This is important. Make your profile public. Step two, turn your profile into a follower profile. I'm going to put a link in the description below so you can find out exactly how you can change it. You have to change the default action for your call to action button on your profile from connect to follow. You don't want to have everyone sending you connection requests. There's a hard limit of 30,000 people that people can connect to, and you don't want everyone like who wants to follow your content to be able to send you messages. Otherwise you will get like a lot of messages, but it's still okay if they follow you. So you want to be more selective who you connect with, but you want to make this like as easy as possible for people to follow you. So turn on this follow button as the default action on your profile. Step number three, optimize your LinkedIn profile. Write something really nice on your description and give people like some interest, like what kind of content are you producing, who are you, what are you doing, like what are you all about, how can they learn more information about you, where are your other social media platforms. Give people more context on your profile so they can do a little bit more research. Some people, they just see a post of yourself, they click on your profile, they want to learn a little bit more about you. So if you can give them some more additional resources to create trust, this is perfect. And especially focus on your LinkedIn headline. I'm going to put a link in the description below, in the comments below, which is linking to my LinkedIn headline cheat sheet, which will help you to find like a really cool headline that people is really engaging and you get found in more searches. So make sure to check this out as well. Then step number four, you have to create high quality engaging content on LinkedIn. This is basically the only way how you can grow following on LinkedIn. High quality, unique content is providing a ton of value to anyone who is reading this. So you have to be really clear about who you're creating content for and what are those people, who are they, what are they doing on a daily basis, what do they need, how can you provide value to them. And if you can create some content helping them, making their life a little bit more easy, a bit more enjoyable, giving them some additional resources that will help them make a career, make more sales, getting more things done, maybe having something like in their private life that is also helping, sharing some news where you're like the first person like to break the news. If you can provide high quality value to them, then people will follow you. And one tip I always recommend, tell people in your post to ask them to follow you and tell them what kind of content they can expect from you if they follow you. This is so important. If you tell them, for example, myself, I'm always posting about marketing strategies and tactics that really work, how to grow a business, how to get more leads for your business. This is like my topic. So if you follow me, you're going to see a ton of these kind of topics on the platform, on my YouTube channel, on my Instagram channel, on my LinkedIn account. So if you want to learn more about those topics, make sure that you follow me or hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on. And if you want to imply the same, tell people what they can expect from your channel, from your LinkedIn account, so people have a reason and an expectation what you post. So obviously make sure that you also do and follow up what you are like suggesting, and not just push in a lot of keywords and then posting about some other content. So that's really important. If you follow all of these steps, you're going to get a ton of content out on a daily basis, at least one post every day, consistently. And don't just give up. Sometimes it takes 30 days, 60 days to get people engaged with your content. And like one last tip, if you have no connection whatsoever and no network, you have to start by going to other people first. Find people who are already engaging content creators, who already have like a lot of engagement on their posts, and participate in the discussion. reply to other people's comment, see what they're saying, enrich the conversation, provide value to the story, to the conversation. And then you will see that some people who engage with you in the comments will also start following you. And after a while, if you do this, also the content creator will start to follow you. And then you're building up your network one bit at a time. And be patient. For some people, it might happen after 10 days. For some people, they don't see any results after 30 days. But if you follow the process step by step and you're consistent and you're always engaging with other people's comments, you're always creating high quality content on a daily basis, you're always improving, you're always providing value, over time, you will build a following. And that's how you get your first 1,000 followers on LinkedIn. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think of my method? Did I miss out anything? Tell me, how did you get your first 1,000 followers? How many followers do you have? Let me know below, and make sure that you hit subscribe and turn the notification on to learn more about marketing strategies, how to grow your Instagram account, Facebook account, LinkedIn account, YouTube account, whatever is working. See you soon.